Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki eVITARA. In this video I'll show you how to add favorite navigation destination. To add favorite navigation destination, take a look at the screen display and next go to Navigation, Destination, for example History, select your destination and select heart icon. You can do this with every navigation destination you ever had or you are planning to do. Next, to find your navigation favorites, go to Settings Navigation and go to Other Faves. Here it is. From this menu you can edit favorites. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.